Hi. How to find out the stocks waiting for next level processing? Don't worry. simpliRP will help you. Here, you can see we have process mapped few stocks for cutting from raw material. Now, go to Reports. Stock in hand, Item Groups. Click the link on the top. Click here for finding stock waiting for next stage processing. Enter just the item name or part of item name. You can see all the stock of previous stage, those are to be sent for next stage processing. This will be helpful in case of subcontracts. Also, this will help in reducing the transportation cost by consolidating all the stocks. Please note, this report can be generated only if the process mapping has been done already. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your manufacturing. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.